out to Grange, Texas, do a little camping, little kayak tournament, tackle shack kayak series. This is the first event ever hosted by Mr. Anthony Lee, owner of Tackle Shack. Alright, just showed up to Fayette County Reservoir. Sweet. Home for the night. Or the weekend. It's a pretty good little spot. Clean, super clean. Nice big table. Beautiful trees were under here. Neighbors ain't too terribly close. They're a little tight. There's woods. And spot 1, close to the restrooms. I think that's spot 18. That's spot 17. Little fire going. That's some got this fire going. Get this stacked up real nice. Alright, let's see what we got in here. I think we're just gonna do a little bit of meat. Might as well get one of these. And I could do an egg with it. I think that would be good. Alright, I'm gonna do an egg. The eggs out. Get Stick of butter. I used the whole stick, but that out of the way. Okay. Probably not a bad idea not to have me in charge of the important things on a trip. All right, so I'm gonna go take some water. I'm gonna boil this, clean this out real good, and I'm gonna heat up my leftover steak from Krause's. Put a little butter on it, maybe a little more seasoning. Get that heated up, and then I'm gonna fry me a couple eggs ish. All right, just the seasoning was good on it. We're just gonna add a little butter in there. Come on, fingers. All right, a little butter. And more butter. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's actually heating those up pretty good. Let that butter get under. Flip her on over. It ought to be good. I'm gonna put a little bit of rib rub just to get a little extra seasoning in there. I've got some Creole seasoning for the eggs that we're going to fry. Some of my trash picked up as I go. All right. I think the steaks are good. Whew. Smoke on there. Set these to the side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm playing a dangerous game here. They are cooking. Those are going to take a minute. You go put my steak inside. All right, they seem to be coming along pretty good. Just go out back in there. Flip them over. We get a little over easy-ish. Alright. I ain't gonna put them too long in there. Dude, I think those turned out just about perfect, man. It's awesome. Actually good there. Heck yeah. Just a little bit runny. Better. Help the fire go a little bit better. Alright. We got our eggs. We got our steak. Glove off. Zoom out. Heck yeah. Get a little tasty old steak. Make sure she doesn't need to get back on the pit. Hold on. Or still as good as it was last night. All right. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Try these eggs quick. Oh yeah. It's good stuff right there. Eating like king. There's just a hint of pink left in there. Probably cooked this steak a little too long. Not bad though. First night's meal. Leftover steak. I don't think I could have cooked it much better from scratch. That's my favorite part. The burnt ends, the burnt fat on a ribeye. Oh, so delicious. Oh. Left my chair at the house. I like to burn on my paper trash when I can. I don't know if that's the right thing or wrong thing to do. It's the most life that fire's had all night. What if I can't find me a fire stick? Let me go ahead and prep the coffee for tomorrow. Them. I need a bigger thing of water for this stuff. And I'm curious in the morning. So I'll have this all plugged in. All I'll have to do is turn it on. Let's get my... So this is HEB brand Maple Breakfast Blend. Load her up though. This use some space. Parked at a bad angle. Use that. Man, this is awesome. And I'm pumped up for this weekend just to be out here. Camping. I'm not necessarily roughing it. I'm not proclaiming to be this hardcore survivalist. I'm just trying to get back into it after 25 years of not. And just getting back and enjoying it. Building my skills up. Just going a little bit. All right, it's nighttime. Got the old bed all set up. Be the first night. Low of 36 tonight. I'm just going to keep my little heater on low. I don't think I really need it based off of the last trip. And just got this little space heater. Beautiful little ambiance. Kind of under me, so the heat will rise up here close to me. And yeah, it's been a good day. Camp set up, the van a little bit more organized. get a couple more shelves, and then it might actually become comfortable in here. I got a diesel heater that still hadn't hooked up. So that's where we're at. We're gonna ready for bed. All right, good night. We'll see y'all in the morning. I slept good last night. It's time to get up. Could be some breakfast. Maybe. Caramel creamer. A little bit of milk. Oh. Lid on. Whew. Come on. Come on. Secure lid. Secure Mr. Lid. Breakfast this morning. I've been a good boy, so I think I deserve 2. These loaded up. All right, let's get out there by the fire. We don't need much of a fire this morning. I really started this morning just out of camping. Another 20-30 minutes. I'm probably going to be heading out to the water anyways. Feels good this morning. A low of 36 for last night. Definitely doesn't feel like it got that cold. Alright, so I just realized I slept with the window wide open last night. Yeah, I was still comfortable. I guess that little door helped. So tonight with the cooler temps, I actually have the window closed. Should probably be even better.